All right. Well, oh man, guys. So, my girlfriend's out of town, and I'm driving her car to the movies with my little brother. And when we went to go leave, car wouldn't start. So what the heck? So I got a charger maintainer, took the battery out, went to my house, charged it up overnight, went back and put it in. Drove the car home, da 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 da. 2 days later, drove it to the tennis court in my neighborhood. Died again. Bruh. So I took the alternator, the battery out, took it to my house, charged it up. Obviously at this point, alternator's bad. So I looked up a video online on YouTube. Bro, tell me how there are however many videos for the 2018, so it's 2011 to 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. Basically, none of them are for the engine that I need. All right, they're all for I don't know what engine. It has to be like 2.5 or 2.0 or something, but I need the one for the 1.4 liter. There's literally one video online of the right engine, at least that I found, and the most important parts I was looking for, basically, but he did not explain. So anyways, I decided I'm still doing it. I came back in here to do some research, got dark on me, so alternator showed up in the mail pretty late. So in the morning, bright and early, I'm gonna hop out there and I'm gonna try to do a bottom extraction, because from what I'm seeing, wiggling out the top, there's one dude was able to wiggle it out the top. I'm trying all kinds of different angles, bro. Like, I have no idea, so I'm not even gonna bother with that. I'm just gonna skip past that. I'm gonna go straight for the bottom, and I already got the alternator loose, so I guess I'll kind of touch on that. But once we get there tomorrow, we'll go over everything. I put everything back for the most part. Like, I put the tire back on. The alternator's still kind of just loose, hanging in there, to be honest. Hopefully it doesn't just fall in the middle of the night and break anything. So hopefully I'm gonna do it for the boys. We make the video for the boys, for the boys. I know the mechanics out there know how to do it, but they don't want to make the video. So based on my research, I asked Gemini, and read a few comments, pretty much all saying taking out from the bottom, removing the AC compressor is going to be the easiest way. So we're going for that. I literally tried all day. Not all day. I had like a few hours before it got dark, like an hour and a half maybe. I really thought I could get it done in that time, because all the videos I looked at online, like, I thought it was the right car, right engine, but it's not. All the videos I was watching, wrong engine, completely different tensioner pulley. Like, the whole setup is different. The alternator is probably the exact same, but everything else in there is different. So it was like, for them, it was like, out, put it back in. That's what I was expecting, I signed up for this, told my girlfriend I was gonna handle it. Now I'm over here like, damn, if she comes back in a day, gotta get this thing done. So, yeah, let her know, Daddy's here. Daddy's here. What a pain in the ass, though, man. What? I tried so long. First of all, the whole process was kind of a pain. Well, I'll go over that more later. I'm like thinking to myself, bro, like how many things do I have to disconnect? Anyways, stay tuned. Alright, so pretty much first thing here is, so there goes the alternator. I took it out. So I'll show you guys when I put it back in, but there's basically some bolts. There's a bolt. So I'm pretty sure that one is going to be for the tensioner pulley. This one up top. This one right here. Here, let's try this. So this one right here is going to be for the actual alternator. That one's for the tensioner pulley. There's another one at the bottom for the tensioner pulley, and then also another one at the bottom for the alternator. There's some connector wires that were removed on this side. Once again, I'll show you a little bit more about that once I get this thing out of there. So now the video that I watched previously, Buddy managed to pull out the top. I've been struggling, so I'll show you guys a little bit of what that looks like right now, but I don't think it's gonna work. I'm probably gonna have to go to the bottom. I'm just gonna try one more thing before I go too far. Okay. So, as you can see here, really no good way to get this thing on. It's getting stuck everywhere. So it's not gonna happen. You can see it now. So what I'm gonna have to do here is take out the AC compressor line. So now we're gonna go back to that. Loose for the most part. And I put it back on yesterday so I didn't tighten it all the way. So here we go. Morning. How you doing? Yes, sir. Back to it. I got it out, but I can't get it out of the hole. Yeah, so I personally don't have jack stands, so I just use the tire. Alright, next up here, so I already started removing most of this yesterday, but there's basically one right here, one right here, one right here. There's a few under here. I'm gonna take, they said, I looked up on YouTube, they said basically just take the whole thing out. So that's what I'm gonna do. There were some here, 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 and I think here, attached to here. I'm gonna take this one out. And I'm gonna take this one out too. I might not need to take this one out. I actually don't think I need to take that one out. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that. I'm gonna take this one out. That's fine. Okay. And for the record, I am not a mechanic. I just kind of do stuff like this randomly on my spare time. I'm gonna take this out as well. I'm just gonna go over to that other side and do the same thing.
so pretty much, so boom, got that thing out. Now I can see everything under here. I got this one out so I can see under here as well. So now, here's my alternator. They said I got to take this thing out. So as you can see, the alternator is kind of dangling at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use like one of those, wherever it went, a little blue strap, kind of hold this up a little bit. I'm gonna grab another one from my car. So this is one of the bolts, that's one of the bolts, and they said there's 3 total to get it off. So I'm gonna locate all those and then let you guys know. I think it's 13, I'm just guessing. Alright, so also a little clip at the top. Just press it in, pull that out, and I don't really think there's anything else that would need to be disconnected. I'm just gonna assume that that's it. Okay, for now. I got 1, 2 bolts. The third one has to be on that side, I'm assuming. So we're just gonna take that clip off, take these 2 bolts out, and then work over there in a second. Alright, so real quick for the record, so it actually wasn't that bad. So alternator I had hanging up there, right, via like a little cable, a little cord thing. Bolt, the other bolt is directly on the opposite side. I didn't want to take it all the way out, but it's all the way over here. And actually that one wasn't that very difficult to get out either. The other 2, one was right here, one was mounted up here. Boom, boom. Simple like that. Now what I did was I didn't want to disconnect anything. I was having a little trouble getting this cable off up top. That one. So what I did was I just hoisted it. I disconnected it, supported it with this jack stand. I kind of moved the jack stand. I like moved the jack stand, held it with one hand, and lowered down the alternator kind of while wiggling this around to kind of be able to get some room. So now I'm about to put the new alternator back up, and I'll try to connect everything while, hopefully while this is still disconnected. I might just say, you know, reconnect it and just call it a day before I even, once I get the alternator up obviously, but so yeah. Probably not a good idea to have it on here like this. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hold it up a little farther. I'm gonna slowly jack this thing up a little more. I want it to kind of sitting in a better position. I'm pretty sure these are all the right same size. This size. Just gonna kind of wiggle that in there. Start threading with my fingers. Cool. Maybe a little bit too much pressure. There you go. That's a little better. I guess that's pretty much. Got a few threads with my finger, so that's good enough for me. It's like right there. See the things right there? I'm just gonna throw this bolt in. Oops. I have to move it real quick. A little farther. Damn. Well, it says only got 4 minutes left. Anyways, put the last one in up top, up here, and then kind of go from there. This one, just a little wiggle. Screwing. After I take this out, take this thing down. There we go. Should be better. There we go. This one pretty far with just a finger. Do the same thing here. Okay, pretty good. I'm just gonna get this thing out of the way. Okay, now that I have the alternator back on, so pretty much one there, one there. Nice and simple. There's a connector over there. I'll zoom in over there in a minute and show you. Flashlight. What did I do with the flashlight? I don't know what I did with the flashlight. Oh, there it is. Alright. So it's really hard to see from this angle, but right back there's basically a plug-in connector and then like a bolt-on connector. Put that on before you bolt it back on, or once you take all the bolts off to replace it in the first place. Once you get it loose, you take those off. So now we are moving on to the pulley. Now I'll be honest with you, I took it off. I'm not even 100% sure how I got it off. I know this is one of the bolts. I never took it out all the way because it looked like it was kind of holding it in. So I just kind of left it there to kind of bring some resistance so it doesn't unlock all the way. I wasn't sure what was going to happen there. So pretty much, I know pretty much that it goes in this way. and we'll figure out the rest as we go. So I'm pretty sure this one stays on this side and this one goes at the bottom like this. So we're just gonna rock with that, and I'm gonna see what happens. I'm not 100% sure though. I might have to look at a video or a picture. Alright, so yep, Gemini was able to verify that this is going to be the top. So we're going to, I'm going to set up the camera and then we're going to go from there. I think we're going to, hopefully this is a good position. Maybe not too much in my way. Whatever tool that's called. So I used a Allen key. It says don't know. It fits in there pretty good. Oh fuck, pretty good. And yeah, everything here is kind of improvised. So I'm gonna do the bottom one first, since it's kind of just there. Ooh. Okay. Might have a little issue there. Might need, I don't know. Not sure if it's even in place. Just kind of working it. See what we can do here. Looks like it's pretty much there. So just gonna keep turning this. Hopefully it is slowly tightening. Hopefully we get a grip here sometime soon. Yep, looks like it. Looks like we got it on there for the most part. Alright, I'm just gonna make this basically as tight as possible. This top one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the socket. Whatever it is, I don't know what size it is. 16, I think, right here. Kinda. So I can get that last bolt on. Looks like I still got some ways to go. So let me move out here for a second. Let's see from the top. Yeah, man, you know, looks a little wacky. I'm gonna finish off from the top. Wow. Alright, so basically I put an Allen key in there, torqued it, put the first one at the top one in, torqued it, and now I'm putting in the Allen key. And I put in the Allen key and now I'm just screwing it in with my finger so I get most of the way in. Okay. And I'm just gonna pop that out. Alright, I'm sorry, the video, I keep having to delete shit to make room for the video. But anyways, alright, so for the record, where's my flashlight? For the record, I would not recommend doing what I did, okay? So at first what I did was So I put the top bolt in for the pulley, right? And then I kind of fastened it in until it wouldn't go anymore. Now, what I would recommend is if you're going to do that, put it in a little bit, but not too full. Okay, sorry, video once again. Anyways, I recommend not doing what I did exactly. If you're going to do that, put it in a little bit, torque it, put an Allen key into that little hole right there. Where is it? That one. When that one torques this way, there's a perfect slot for it. Just put the Allen key in there, and it'll hold it in place. And then you can go ahead and put the other bolt on, screw the other one back out, maybe add a little WD-40, put them both back in, you know, snug. Then remove the Allen key once you hit the that bolt there. But yeah, got it all in. Everything's back in, connected. I got this in. So basically, bolt right here, bolt right there. That's the bolt, another bolt that you need to hit. That one right there. That one right there, and that one right behind it right there. And then that's for the tensioner pulley. Then let's see if I can go up here a little bit. The bolt for this thing is actually hidden behind here, which is kind of a pain. I'll try to see if I can find a better angle, but anyways, all that's back in. Now I'm going to look up a quick video of the routing of the, I forgot how it's supposed to go. Alright, so the video makes it, diagram made it pretty simple. Over the alternator, around here, underneath, like over the top of the alternator, around here and under, back through here, around here. So it's actually, I lied. We're going to start over. So it's over the top of the alternator, go under here, around this way, and up. So boom. I'm about to set that up right now. Bang, bang, bang to start.